Hi everyone. If you would like to include some of the information or some of the figures that is not controlled by any chart of account in Xero, and if you would like to include that into the report template, this is how you can do it. So firstly, I'm just gonna open up a report and then I can click on edit layout on the bottom left. And let's say if I wanted to go to note and adding another schedule to input the number that I have control outside of Xero, so that I can go to note 7, and here I can add the schedule. So let's say for example I am going to put on income tax reconciliation that is controlled outside of Xero, and I'm going to adding another 3 custom row. So the first one is going to be income tax expense at the above rate, and then second one is non-deductible, and then the third one is unrecognized deferred tax asset during the year. So let me update it out and see what happened. And if I go along to note 8, I will able to see I have just created a schedule, and here I can type in any figures that is not controlled in Xero. Okay, so what if you want to show a total for those custom row that you have just entered some of the figures that is not controlled in Xero? So let's go back to add the layout again. What you need to do in order to show the total, you just have to add another layer of the grouping in the schedule. So I'm clicking on this schedule, and from there I am going to create a group. What I need to do is just basically drag every custom row that I have created and give the name of the group. Make sure you check the total option for the group, and I can update layout. And if I scroll down to note 8 for this table, I can see a total for 850. The total amount will change based on the number that I have input into the custom row. So let's say for example, if I'm changing from 300 to 500, and then the total will also be updated. But what if that you find that this group name is a bit strange to display? We have another workaround for you. So let's go back to edit layout again. Here, you are required to enter at least 1 character for this group name. But if you don't want to show any group name in this grouping, what you can do is just basically enter the empty character. If you Google online, you can easily find emptycharacter.com, and you can see in the method 1, copy with a button. What you need to do is to click on that button and it will copy to your clipboard. I'm now going back to look to the financial statement, and in that grouping, I'm just going to replace the group name with pasting the empty character, and I can click on update layout again. You can now see that the group name has been disappeared because it is replaced by the empty character, and the total amount is also being listed here, and it will change based on the number that I have input in the custom row. So this is the workaround for adding a total for my custom row in my report template. Thank you so much.